Sergeant, and with the show and you, listen, Mórshiúl, Féile na Gligany Gorma, Féile Cahar, the Carnival and Cahar, Golden Ella Philanthropic, a race Lena, Dun Shakti Ur. We're here today as part of the parade of the Féile na Gligany Gorma 2024 to let the city know and the local community that the festival is back as big as ever and growing every year for the 8th year in a row now. And as you can see, hundreds of people have turned out from the local community, the youth clubs, the GAA tournaments, the sports and soccer clubs. We've got community and progressive campaigns from John Jarg, the Murphy family, Conwy na Gaeilge, and all the groups at the back as well from the local community. So we're buzzing, and again to let the city know that the festival is underway again. Go! 3, 2, 1!